Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer stocks to M1 Finance from your old broker, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer stocks to M1 Finance from your old broker, start by gathering your account information from your current brokerage. Log into your existing brokerage account to locate your account number and other necessary details. Next, visit the M1 Finance website and create an account if you haven't done so already. Once your M1 Finance account is set up, navigate to the Transfer section. Select the option to transfer an existing brokerage account. Fill out the required fields with your current broker's information. Indicate whether you want to do a partial or full transfer of your assets. If opting for a partial transfer, specify which stocks or assets you wish to move. Review your current holdings to ensure you are transferring the correct assets. Provide any additional information requested, such as account types and your investment preferences. After completing the transfer form, double-check all entered information for accuracy. Submit the transfer request through M1 Finance. You will receive a confirmation email once the request is submitted successfully. Keep track of the transfer status through your M1 Finance dashboard. Expect your transfer to take a few days to process, as M1 Finance works with your old broker to complete the transaction. Once completed, you will receive a notification confirming that your stocks have been transferred. You can now manage your new portfolio directly from your M1 Finance account. Review your investments and make any necessary adjustments to align them with your goals. Be sure to stay informed about the status of the transfer until everything is finalized. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.